welcome, welcome. I went to the Dollar Tree today because my in-laws were like, hey, we're looking for some margarita glasses. They're having some kind of party and they need some margarita cups, and they said they've been to a ton of different Dollar Trees and they can't find any. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll try mine because we were in the area. So I did not find them. They did not have it because a lot of the stores are now getting rid of their margarita summer stuff and now getting all the back to school stuff. I know, it's crazy. Summer just started and it's already like back to school already. But I ended up getting some stuff to share with you guys. Now when I walked in the door, they had two full carts of macaroni and cheese, the Kraft macaroni and cheese for 50 cents. Because it expired a couple of days ago. And then they had a ton of these pizza crusts, but I didn't get those because they expired a month and a half ago. And they were selling those for 50 cents, and I'm like, nope, because they were like hard as a rock, and I'm like, nope. But anyways, you guys seen me haul these multiple times. These are pizza crusts. My husband absolutely loves these. He gets pepperoni, some marinara sauce, and then mozzarella, and he just makes this. He absolutely loves it. It's okay, I mean, I'll eat it, but I'm just not craving pizza like he does all the time. So I ended up getting him 3 of them. There are some smaller ones, but he likes the bigger ones. The bigger ones, it's a 1-pack. The smaller ones, it's a 2-pack. But this is a repeat buy, and this doesn't expire till December. So I ended up getting more of those pizza crusts because he's like, did you get me more pizza crusts? And I'm like, yes I did, little husband, yes I did. So got him that. This is another repeat buy that we get all the time, is these ices. One of them actually kind of like leaked in the container, but I put them in the freezer right away, so I won't have to worry about leaking. But my son absolutely loves these. For $1 for 4 of them, you can't go wrong. So I ended up getting those. We love animal crackers, and again, this is a repeat buy, but I had to get the one that was 10 cents or 10% more. I don't know really if there was a difference between the regular and the 10%, but that's how you get it. But they were both the same price, so I'm not complaining. But we love these animal crackers. I just love snacking on them. These are like the most simplest crackers to snack on, and I absolutely love it. My son has been craving Chex Mix, and when I can get a bag of it for $1, I totally would. Now I could have used, there was a coupon that I could have used. I think it was like a 50 cents off a 2 coupon. There was one back in the day. I can't remember if it's a printable or whatever. But anyways, who cares? But for $1, we got those. I do want to, I wish I could go couponing back at Dollar Tree, but they have so many new employees that are there all the time, and I hate holding up the lines. If I had like, you know, a relationship with one employee at a time, I would totally do it. So I ended up grabbing a thing of gloves. Now it was kind of ripped open, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. Well, then I lifted it up and I'm like, okay, let me see if there's 2 gloves in here. So we got to the register and I briefly looked inside and there was only 1 glove inside. So I'm like, I'm so happy that I went back and got it, because I do a lot of spray painting and I'm always wasting gloves. And I thought, why not use these kind of gloves to use when I spray paint, because I don't care how much layers and layers of spray paint I have on my hands. These are just perfect for what I want to do with them. So I ended up getting some gloves to use. I've been on a hunt. I don't know if the second one's in here. I've been on a hunt trying to find these Dollar Tree Cricut off-brand stuff. I thought I had 2 of them. I had 2 of these. We'll find it when we get to it. But I wanted to get these because I love using these scrapers because I use them like crazy when I am crafting, and they do the same thing for anything. So I'm like, for $1, you can't go wrong with these. So I bought 2 of these, and the other one's somewhere in the other bags. My son wanted to get a scent smelling pen. Now I don't know how well these work, but it is 10 different scents. It comes with red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, purple, pink. Okay, so the red is, I don't know, it has a leaf on it, like maple. The orange has, I don't even know. Never mind, I don't even know what the scents of these are for them, but it says it's a scented rainbow pen. So Will got it. He wanted to use it. I'm like, for a pen, I don't care. It's for $1. He saw these robot things when we were here. When we were there last time, they had a ton of these. This is the only one he found. The box was empty, but he found it just kind of sitting around. They're basically like just weird food. It's basically, it's kind of cute.
Food humans.
Huh? Food humans? Well, they're bots is what it's called. So, there you go. And then he found this little thing This is a Gnomies, arcade Gnomies. It's like little, like, Gnomies. They're Gnomies. Okay, so, okay. I ended up getting an ice cream scoop because there is some DIYs that I want to do. I wanted to get the old school, you know, where you push and push and then it like scoops out, but I don't want to spend a lot of money on an ice cream scoop. So I ended up getting this. Hopefully this will be what I want it to be. But I plan on doing some DIYs with this, especially like this coming in the winter. So I ended up doing that. Now this is, my son wanted something to drink, so we ended up just getting the Donald Duck fruit punch. This is something he likes to drink. I'd rather have him drink this than the orange soda that he wanted. It does have 10% juice, whatever, not a big deal. I ended up needing some Italian seasoning. I didn't get this at Dollar Tree. I ended up getting some Italian seasoning. I actually got this at Aldi, and I don't know how it ended up in my Dollar Tree bag, but hey, we did pay $1 for this at Aldi. So got some Italian seasoning because I got some old stuff that I needed to get rid of. So as you guys see, I've been buying these like crazy. This is the Kool-Aid Tropical Punch Jello. I absolutely love this. My daughter and I share a cup like once a day. She doesn't know how to scoop it, but she likes to share a cup with me. Here's my other scraper. I'm like, oh, I thought I had 2 of them. So I ended up getting 2 more. I got 3 of the Kool-Aid Jellos just because I don't know when I'm going to the Dollar Tree again, and I really like this Jello. It's just, I like the taste. I like the taste. Now my daughter is hardcore into coloring, and I'm trying to get her to color on paper and not other things, so if I can get her some coloring books. Now this was a mega coloring book. The only thing I'm going to say is like it's recycled paper. There's like spots. I mean, it's 100% recycled paper. The pictures are cut off. I mean, it's not the greatest quality, but for her, I don't care. I mean, for $1 for this many pages, it's totally worth it. But it is a Dollar Tree brand. 240 pages of things to color. So that's what I want to try to do, is get my daughter to stop color. She loves to color on anything and everything she can get her little hands on. So I'm like, okay. So this is the last item I got. Now, I ended up getting one of these at Five Below. I like the one at Five Below, but somehow they stopped selling them. I can't remember what the brand is, but they stopped selling them, and I don't want to spend 10 bucks to get another one. So basically what this is a nail polish holder. So you guys can actually get your nail polish and you can put it right in there. But what I actually use this for, and I will show you guys, is this one's a little bit different, but you're gonna put your, you're gonna put your fingers in there. I don't know if I have any. We'll just use this gum. Basically what you do is you put your nail polish on there, and that's how you can like dip it in there. But this top is a little bit different, but what I'm using it for is when I use my pick, when I'm like using my vinyl, when I'm picking my vinyl, I actually kind of just scrape it right in here. So I'm not sitting there trying to figure out where to stick it. This is perfect. You just kind of just stick it right in there and then you empty it out. But this is perfect. I was thinking of getting 2 of them, but then I'm like, oh, let's see how well this one does, because I always need more because I'm always putting them in different spots. But this is perfect. I mean, for $1, this is perfect. I only saw the blue and, or I only saw purple and pink, but yeah, you guys can use it for nail polish as you put nail polish on, but I actually use this for when I pick. I can put my excess, I can just wipe my little stick on there instead of me poking it off. So this is perfect. I'm super excited to get this. I'm actually going to bring that upstairs with me when I go put all my craft stuff away. But that was my Dollar Tree haul. It wasn't much, but I'm happy with what I got. I've been really trying to not buy stuff I don't need. Like, there's just so much stuff that I'm like, oh, I want, but I'm like, nope. I have it really into my head that I mostly am buying food products because that's stuff that I need and stuff that I'm working on. I really want to push my Etsy, so I've been trying to get, supplies for that, and why not get stuff at the Dollar Tree? So that was my haul, you guys. It was little, but I'm pretty excited. I had 20 items. I'm pretty excited for. I got the food items that we're definitely going to be eating. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.